They're flashing that way, maybe to wake them up so we can roll them over.
Where's John? Go get John. John!
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, but I can't tell.
It says recording.
Yeah, I know, but I can't see any picture.
Yeah, because it's fucking turn on that light switch. Turn this light on. Whatever, we're having fun with the fucking... God damn, Lou.
You have a flashlight?
It's in my ruck, I think. That's true. Is it attached to his LBE?
John, you have a flashlight?